Photography is an art form like a drawing and painting. Photographers use their camera to take a scene life a different way, feel emotions, and record stories and events. The world's first photograph made in camera was taken in 1826 by Joseph Nicephore Niepce.
Hello everyone, my name is Josh, Michael, and Francisco from BHHM1C, and I am here to tell you and explain the three basic types of photography: landscape, portrait, and documentary. In the landscape photography, that captures environments, that focuses on mountains, forests, rivers, skies, and deserts, and even man-made environments such as buildings and skyscrapers. Next is the portrait photography. In the portrait photography, that captures person or animals as they captures and highlight their personality and emotion expressions. In the documentary photography, that tells a story without changing the fact, and it focuses on capturing events, peoples, and situations as they truly are, without heavy staging and heavy editing. Thank you and God bless.
My name is Renz Joseph de la Cruz Navarte. Exposure, the brightness of a photo controlled by light, shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Aperture, the size of the lens opening f-stop that controls the amount of light entering the camera and directly impact the depth of field. Depth of field, the area of a photo that is focused, a wider aperture, smaller f number, result in shallower depth of field. Shutter speed and film speed, ISO. Shutter speed controls the duration light hits the sensor, affecting both exposure. Faster speed means less light, and motion capture. Fast speed, freeze motion. Slower speed, show blur. Stop and exposure value. The amount of light hitting a camera's film or sensor is measured in stops, which is also known as exposure value.
Hi, my name is Perla Jana F. Trinidad from the SHM1C. Ang direksyon ng ilaw ay nakaka-epekto kung magiging flat o 3D ang isang larawan. Ang front at top lighting ay madalas nagpapa-flat ng imahe, habang ang side lighting ay nagbibigay din sa texture, hugis at gumagawa ng mas malalim na effect. Kaya mahalaga ang direksyon ng ilaw sa paglikha ng mood, depth sa photography. Sa photo, ang kulay ng larawan ay naaapektuhan ng color temperature, which is Kelvin. Ang warm colors tulad ng pula at yellow ay nagbibigay ng energetic at friendly na mood, habang ang cool colors tulad ng blue ay nagdudulot ng calm at serious na mood. Kaya mahalaga ang tamang kulay sa pag-edit dahil ito ang nagsiset ng emotion at atmosphere sa larawan. Mahalaga ang direksyon ng ilaw dahil ito ang nagtatakda kung paano makikita ang subject. Ang front at top lighting ay madaling gamitin pero nagiging flat ang itsura ng larawan dahil kulang sa shadow at depth. Samantalang ang side lighting ay nagdadagdag ng texture, hugas at contrast, kaya mas nagmumukhang 3D at mas dramatic ang effect. Bibigay ng mas malakas na visual impact sa audience.
I am Nicole Ashley Tarnueva from BSHM1C. So we have top 10 tips in taking great picture. So we have get down in their level, means hold your camera at the subject eye level to capture the power of those magnetic gaze of mesmerizing smiles. 4 is move in close to create impactful pictures. Move in close and fill your pictures with the subject. 5. Take some vertical pictures, means many subjects look better in the vertical pictures from the Eiffel Tower portraits of your friends.
Good day everyone, my name is Juliana Rose Arlaurente from SHM1C. Post-processing means checking, improving, and polishing the complete work. Daya ay nakafocus sa pag-correct at mga errors at pag-organize at mga idea para mas maging manamit tag-output. Fine-tuning raw files. Pwede mo mura ma-convert into JPG ag mabaylo tag mga unwanted pictures ag mabaylohan at mga iba pang pictures para mas ma-achieve mo tag manami nga result in inyong output.